In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this little small mini indestructible portable speaker from the company Muzen. I think that's called Muzen, and this is exactly how I got mine in right here. You get a little gift bag with this thing. Very nice case. Look at this case. It's actually branded their name. And you know what? They call it the Wild Mini Portable Bluetooth Speaker. And this is the instructions right here. You get a little USB-C cable with this. I already looked over the instructions, so I kind of know how to use this thing. It's not much to it. It's a little Bluetooth speaker. Right here is the actual, pull down on that, the USB-C plugs in right there for charging. It seemed to charge in about an hour. I got a complete charge on it. To turn this thing on, you're gonna hold down right here, and then the light, y'all hear that? I am connected. I'm already connected to Bluetooth right now, so I've connected it, and it's named Muzen portable speaker. The volume is easily controlled right here. Has a little lanyard hook right here that you can hook onto. It has, this is the pause button right here and the skip button right here, and it's got a little flashlight. Hold down the button, the light comes on, and then you got 3 modes. You got a SOS, a low, and a high, so that's always handy to have a little light with it. It is on Bluetooth right now. Now, for copyright reasons, I cannot play music, but what I did do, I pulled up a ball game. I think we're fine to play a ball game. You hear that right there?
Oh, he throws it down.
Very clear, very loud, extremely high quality speaker. And if you want to pause it, you got a pause button right there. It gives you a little indicator when it's paused. Surprisingly, for the size of this thing, it really has a lot of power for the size of it. And it's IP5 waterproof, so it's basically, you can submerge it in water and it's completely fine. Has a little spot right here for a lanyard, and basically this is something you would carry with you kind of off grid. The battery lasts hours and hours. I don't see any issues with this little thing at all.
And throws
unpause it.
Down. Oh,
y'all hear that? You just want to sit here and listen to a podcast or a game or music or whatever. This is something you know what I'm going to be using it for? I'm going to hook it to my bicycle and let it hang on my bicycle, so when I'm out on the trail, you know what, I can just play my music while I'm just cruising along. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Muzen, you know, waterproof, indestructible speaker, Bluetooth. See you on the next video.